how to fix a waiting endpoint on Discord. Now, first things first, a waiting endpoint error on Discord is actually indicating that the client is actually struggling to establish a stable connection to a Discord voice server, usually due to network issues, maybe router configuration problems, or even a Discord service outage. Now, the very first troubleshooting step that we need to do is to check our current Discord status. Just open up any web browser available on your end and then just simply type in Discord status. From here, just simply choose on the very first result and just have to go ahead and check the API, the media proxy, gateway, push notifications, and so on and so forth. If you scroll down under payments, you should be able to see a red line right here. So this is actually indicating that in this specific moment, around the 4th of August 2025, it happens to be a major outage in that specific time. But most of the time, why is this happening on your end is because most probably your network connection. Just simply unplug your physical router from the outlet, plug it back in, and make sure that you have stable internet access. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix a waiting endpoint in Discord.